Ayan, what is up everyone? It's a Sunday morning and today we are going to the Home Depot kasi we had our water line fixed dito sa labas ng bahay for the power washer machine na binili namin, and that thing is not working and nakakaloka ang presyo ng tubero dito. So let's go. Ayun na nga, last time when we bought my power tools, we bought power washer also kasi nga it's very expensive na magpa power wash dito. It will cost you like around $250. So we bought our own power washer, but the thing is, after buying the power washer, our water line going outside is not working. So we had it made today and nakakaloka. Ang bayad sa tubero is $240. I was like converting it to the Philippine peso, and if I'm not mistaken, with the exchange rate today, it's 15,000 pesos. It's bigger than the normal Filipino workers 1 month's salary, and he did that only for like maybe an hour or two. Pero with the 240 naman, everything is included, like the spigot and the copper pipes and the lead and other stuff. I was like, I am trying to do it before, but you know, the system here is different. I was not able to do a video of him doing the pipes, but I was looking at it. It's a different thing here because it's copper pipe and you need to seal it with lead. You need to weld it. So even though I'm trying to do it, even if I'm able to do it, I don't have all those torch for melting the lead to weld it together. Yeah, so we're going Home Depot now because we need to buy the hose for the power wash, from the spigot to the power washer, and also we need something to patch that square thing because he made a hole like 10 by 10 there, and we need to check to have it patched, countryman, to have it patched, and I'll do the patching of it. Yeah, see you sa Home Depot. So andito na kami Home Depot para bumili ng hose at ng pantapal sa butas na ginawa ng tubero. So we got our our hose and the patting mix para pansara ng dingding. We're just going to check ng plywood para doon sa bed para mas malaki ang support. So So, nakapagbayad na kami and we are going out na.
Here come another storm.
Ayan ba? Ay, Home Depot. Ito ang binili namin. Pangpatse sa butas-butas. Dito na kami sa bahay. Lalagag ang
You
cellphone ko.
don't wash things sticking up in the eye. That's terrible. I'm getting out of that plane. Because if it happens again and I'm not there anymore, I don't have to worry about it. I'm just like, pull that crap out of my yard.
We're showering and watering our plants today and do the car. Ayan yung ginawang gripo. And ito yung binutas ng lalaki. That part. Ito yung pipe o copper pipe ang gamit nila dito, unlike sa Philippines na pwede mong i-DIY. Ito mahirap i-DIY kasi winyeld doon and then blinow torch pa niya. Yeah, and this hole, yan ngayon yung sasarahan ko using that pati mix na binili, and then later we will paint it. And idadamay na rin namin ito, ginawa ng electrician, and yun. Yeah. So ayan, I'm patching this na. But we forgot to buy like sanding paper so we can sand it after. Ayan, tapos na natin i-patch. We'll just wait for it to dry and then we'll even it out. We'll even it out with sanding paper. Also that side. Kasi that time ay sinira yun nung nagkabit ng aming recess line. And now I'm going to fix the house. So, ayan. Hindi pa siya masyado tuyo because it says na it will be dry na kapag white. Yeah, and so I might do it again tomorrow. So, as of now, I think I need to end this video. Kung nagustuhan mo, pakiclick ang like button. Pakisubscribe mo na rin kung bago ka sa aking channel. At huwag mong kalimutan i-click ang notification bell para updated ka sa lahat ng videos na gagawin ko. And, yeah. Paki-share sa iyong Facebook and do a screenshot and send it to my DM at I am Ramiosi Facebook page, and I'll be giving away 3 to 5 Gcash load for your internet usage at the end of the month. See you on the next one. Bye!